Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Now, as you know, we are doing the first chapter in English, that is, The Sparrows Get a New Home. Yes, do you remember? Okay. And do you remember what we had done in the previous slide? Yes, I had just given you a short summary of the story. I had showed you pictures, right? And just gave a short summary of the story. And I had explained you the words of the word buddy section, right? Then I had given you an activity. Do you remember? I had asked you to just think about the question answers of the I understand section. All the exercises of the I understand section, like the blanks, question answers, then reference to context. Yes or no? I hope you have taken interest and done the activity. Okay, now today I will be discussing all the answers of the exercises. Okay, I will be discussing the answers of the exercises of the I understand section, and what you have to do is you have to listen carefully, see carefully, and note down the answers in your notebook, any home notebook. Okay, so understood, students? You have to note down the answers in a notebook, because these answers will be really very important when the school resumes. So let's see the slides. As you all know, we are doing the first chapter, and this is the third part. That means this is the third video of this chapter. Okay, now see, I had given this activity. Do you remember? This was the activity I gave you. I understand section. So today what I will be discussing is, I will be discussing the answers. Okay, so please pay attention and note down the answers. Now this is true or false. First I will be discussing true or false. Exercise A, true or false. Can you see? Now see the first one. Rini and her father would draw a to-do list for their garden on Wednesday. Here it is given Wednesday. But what is the proper answer? Rini and her father would draw. They would make a garden list every Friday night. They would do it every Friday night. But here it is given what? Wednesday. So this answer is false. I have written F for false and T for true. Can you see answer? False. Number 2. Rini's father decided to go to the stationery shop. Did he decided to go to the stationery shop? No. He decided to go to the hardware shop. Okay. He decided to go to the hardware shop to buy plywood and nails. But here it is given stationery shop. So this is also false. Now see the third one. The sketch that Rini's father drew looked like a doll's house. Now I had showed you the pictures, right, when I was explaining the summary. So Rini's father had made a sketch, and the sketch looked like a doll's house. Is it true or false? Can you guess? Yes, it is true. The sketch that Rini's father made, it looked like a doll's house. So this is true. Number 4. The small birdhouse was built and placed near the kitchen. Now after Rini's father made the birdhouse, did he place it in the kitchen? Did he kept it near the kitchen? No. He kept it in the garden on the window ledge. Okay, he kept it on the window ledge. But here it is given kitchen. So this is also false. Number 5. After a few months, the sparrows built a nest in the birdhouse. Okay, so after a few months passed, a pair of sparrows came and they built a nest in the birdhouse. So this is true. Yes or no? A pair of sparrows came after a few months and they built a nest. So this is true. And the last one. Rini and her father saw 3 sparrows building their nest in the birdhouse. Did they see 3 sparrows? How many sparrows did they see? Do you remember? Yes, they saw a pair of sparrows. That means they saw 2 sparrows. Okay, they did not see 3 sparrows. Here it is given 3 sparrows. So this sentence is false. So these were the answers of true or false, exercise A. Now see. Now we will move on to the question answers. Okay. Below that question answers are given. So now you see this. The first question is, you must note it down, students. These are really very necessary. When your test and all will be taken, you have to refer to these answers, okay students? So now see the first question. What did Rini's father want to buy at the hardware shop? So this is your question. Now see the answer. Rini's father wanted to buy plywood and nails from the hardware shop. So what he wanted to buy at the hardware shop? Rini's father wanted to buy plywood and nails from the hardware shop. Okay. You can always pause and write. You can pause the video and you can write the answer. Then again you can play. Did you understand, students? Now we will see the next question. What did Rini and her father already have in their garden? So when Rini's father said that they are going to buy plywood and nails, so what Rini's thought? That what they have already in their garden. So Rini and her father already had tables and benches in their garden. Okay. So what did they have already in their garden? Rini and her father already had tables and benches in their garden. Okay. So Rini was wondering that why her father went to buy plywood and nails, because they already have tables and benches in their garden. So this is the second answer. Okay. Now see the third question. How was the sketch which Rini's father showed her different from a doll's house? So Rini's father had showed her a sketch. So Rini thought that it is a picture of a doll house. Okay. She was thinking that it is the picture of a doll house, but it was different. It was different from a doll house. So you have to write in this answer, what was it? What was different in that? What was different in that house from a doll's house? Now see the answer. A doll's house has doors and windows. Okay. Normally a doll's house has doors and windows. But the sketch that Rini's father showed had no doors and windows. Okay. But the sketch that Rini's father showed, the picture that Rini's father showed, it did not have any doors and windows. It only had a small round hole. So what did it have? It only had a small round hole. So it was different from a doll's house. Okay, so this was the difference. It did not have doors and windows. Did you understand the answer, students? See the fourth question. Why is it difficult for sparrows to find safe nesting places in cities? Okay, now in a story it is given that why the sparrows are not able to build their nest. Okay, now it is difficult for sparrows to find safe places to build their nest. So you have to give the reason why it is like that, why it is difficult for sparrows to find safe places. So here the answer is, it is difficult for sparrows to find safe nesting places because most of the old houses have given way to high buildings. Okay, so now the old houses are not there. So in place of old houses, what is come? High buildings. And nowadays the gardens are also very small. Okay, nowadays the gardens are also very small with few trees. And nowadays the gardens are small and there are very few trees. So this is the reason that the sparrows are not finding safe nesting places. Okay, safe nesting places means safe places to build their nest. Okay, students, so this is your fourth answer. Now we will see the fifth answer. Why did Rini and her father watch the sparrows as quietly as mice? Okay, so they were watching quietly. When the sparrows came, they were watching very quietly. So why they were watching very quietly? So the answer is, Rini and her father watched the sparrows as quietly as mice to see what they were doing. Okay, so they wanted to see what they were doing. So they were watching as quietly as mice. If they would make a noise, then the sparrows would fly away. So they were watching as quietly as mice to see what they were doing. Okay, so these are the answers to the question answers of the I understand section. Okay, one more is left. That is the sixth one. What did the sparrows bring while entering the birdhouse through the hole? Okay, so you know a pair of sparrows entered the birdhouse from the hole. So what did they bring? They brought something with them. So you have to write what they brought with them. The sparrows brought bits of straw and grass while entering the birdhouse through the round hole. So what did they bring? Bits of straw and grass. Grass means you know, and straw means the dry grass that the sparrows used to make their houses. So the sparrows brought bits of straw and grass while entering the birdhouse through the round hole. So did you understand, students? Okay. Okay, so our question answers are over. Now do you know what is this? This is reference to context. This is exercise C. Below the question answers, after the question answers was exercise B. Now this is exercise C. Reference to context. You know what is reference to context? Means a line is given from the story and questions are asked, okay, related to that sentence, and you have to answer it. So reference to context means who is speaking, to whom the sentence is spoken, why the sentence is spoken, okay. So this is called reference to context. Okay, now we will see the answers. This is the question. See the first one. See, the first reference to context is some sort of box. Maybe you will grow small plants in it. So when Rini's father showed her the picture of a house, bird house, then what she replied to her father, that it was some sort of box. She thought it was some sort of box. Maybe you will grow small plants in it. So she thought that her father wanted to grow plants in it. Okay, so this is the sentence. Now see A. Who says these lines and to whom? So you have to say who is saying this line and to whom these lines are said. So the answer is Rini says these lines to her father. Down I have given the answer. So the answer to A is Rini says these lines to her father. She said some sort of box. Maybe you will grow small plants in it. Okay, so these lines are said by Rini and to whom she is saying to her father. Okay. Now see B. What is the B question? Is the speaker's guess correct? If not, what is the box actually for? So now they are asking us, is the speaker's guess correct? So is it correct that the box was for plants? And if it is not correct, then what was the box for? Okay. No. The speaker's guess is not correct. Okay. Rini thought that it was for growing plants. So was it correct? No. The speaker's guess is not correct. It was not for growing plants. Then what was the box actually for? So what was the box for? The box was actually for making a birdhouse. Okay. The box was actually for making a birdhouse. Did you understand, students? So the speaker's guess was not correct. Guess means the speaker thought it was a box for growing plants. So it was not correct. So what was correct? What was the box for? The box was actually for making a birdhouse. Okay, students. So this is the first reference to context. Now the second one. See the second one. Will it help if we build the house? I hope so. Okay. So Rini is asking her father that will it help if we build the house? Means will it help the sparrows if we build the house? And the father replied, I hope so. Now see your A question. Between whom does the above conversation take place? Means between whom is the conversation taking place? Means between whom these lines are spoken? The above conversation takes place between Rini and her father. Okay. So the above lines are spoken between Rini and her father. Conversation means they are talking. Okay. So the above conversation takes place between Rini and her father. Understood? What house is the speaker referring to? Okay. So over here it is given. Will it help if we build the house? Rini is asking, will it help if we build the house? So what house is this? Okay. So the speaker is asking what is the house over here? Which house they are speaking about? About what house? About which house they are speaking? So the speaker is referring to a bird house. Okay. They are referring to a bird house. They are talking about the bird house. They are not talking about our houses or their house. They are referring to a bird house. Okay. Because they were making a bird house. And the last one is, whom did they want to help by building the house? Whom did they wanted to help? They want to help the sparrows by building the house. Okay. Whom did they want to help? They want to help the sparrows by building the house. Okay, students? So these are the answers to the reference to context. These are the answers to the reference to context. So there were 3 exercises I had given, A, B and C. So I have discussed all the answers with you. Now see, I want to show you one thing. So this is your text, okay, of your course book. If you see in MyPedia app, you will see this is the first page of the story, and you can see down checkpoint is given. See, this is called checkpoint. On all the pages, checkpoint is given. Checkpoint means how much text you read, related to that questions are asked. So this much text is there, then related to this much text some questions are asked, that is called checkpoint. So see over here, there are 3 questions in the checkpoint. Can you see? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so these are also very important. Okay, these question answers are also very important. So I will be giving you the answers. Okay, so you must write it. You must write this also. See, the first one is, what did Rini and the father do on Friday nights? Second one is, where did Rini's father say they would get plywood and nails from? Very easy, 1 line only. And do you think Rini's guess was correct? What do you think the box like house was for? Okay, so these are the questions of the checkpoint. So I will be giving you the answers. Today I will be giving all the answers, okay students? So I have just written all the answers together over here. See, the first question of the checkpoint was, what did Rini and the father do on Friday nights? So Rini and her father would make a what to do for the garden list on Friday night. So what list they would make? They would make what to do for the garden. Okay, they would make a list of what to do for the garden on Friday nights. And when they would make it? On Friday nights. So they would make a list of what to do for the garden, means what they needed for the garden, what they wanted to make for the garden. So they would make a list of what to do for the garden. Okay, very easy. Now second one, where did Rini's father say they would get plywood and nails from? Now Rini's father wanted to buy plywood and nails, and from where they would get it? From where they would get it? Rini's father said that they would get plywood and nails from a hardware shop. From where they would get? From a hardware shop. Hardware shop means you get all the different tools and all the things which are used for making houses and all. Okay. Now third one is, do you think Rini's guess was correct? What Rini thought? It was a dollhouse. It was a dollhouse. It was looking like a dollhouse, and she thought her father was going to grow plants in it. So do you think Rini's guess was correct? Do you think it was correct? No. Rini's guess was not correct. It was not correct. What do you think the box-like house was for? So what do you think? Okay, for what that box-like house was for? The box-like house was for making a bird house. Okay, this is very easy. Now you must be clear. For what that box was? It was for making a bird house. Okay, so these are the answers for the checkpoint. Only 3 question answers are there, students. See, then on the second page also there is the second page of the text. Can you see? There also one checkpoint is there, but there are no question answers. You have to select 3 answers. See, A, B, C, D is given. Can you see? What reasons did Rini father give for building a house for sparrow? So Rini's father gave a few reasons that why they were building a house. So 4 options are given to you. You have to select which ones are correct. You have to only select. These are not question answers. Okay. So on the next page I have kept it properly. See. What reasons does Rini father give up for building a house for sparrows? So he gave reasons why he was building a house for sparrows. See, sparrows find it difficult to find safe places to build nest in cities, right? They find difficult to find safe places, right? They are not finding safe places. So this one is correct. So I have put a arrow over here, okay? B is sparrows do not like old buildings. Is it true? They do not like old buildings. Is it true? No, it is not true. So one option is not true from this. So this option B is not true. So I have not put a arrow. Okay. Now see C option. High buildings have replaced the old ones and there is no place for nest in them. This is correct, right? The high buildings have replaced the old ones. Okay. Now there are very high buildings. They have replaced the old houses and old buildings. So, and there is no place for nest in them. There is no place for nest in the high buildings. So this option is correct. This is true, right? And the last one is, there are fewer trees in the city gardens than there used to be. And now the trees are also very few. First there were many trees, but now the trees are very few in the gardens also. So this option is also correct. So A, C and D options are correct. I have put arrow. This option is not correct. Sparrows do not like old buildings. It is not like they don't like old buildings. Okay, students? So this was the second checkpoint. And these are the answers. You only have to select. This is not question answers. Okay, students? So I have discussed all the answers with you. Okay, students? Hope you have understood all the answers of the exercises of the I understand section. Okay, students? So today I have given you all the question answers and all the answers to the blanks, reference to context, not blanks, sorry, true or false. So we have discussed all the answers. Please write the answers and keep it carefully. So this was my video for today, and in the next video we will be doing the remaining exercise. Okay, that is I observe and I extend. Still exercises are left of the course book. So in my next video I will be covering that, and plus I will show you an animation also. Okay, so thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.